March the 23rd. My birthday is tomorrow. And I'm going to dinner tonight. So I decided to make me a birthday dress. So y'all come with me to make my birthday dress. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you guys for watching this video. Welcome to the Dollhouse channel. Hey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. So this is my first time making this dress, okay? Whew, not too much. So dinner is at 7. And y'all, I gotta make a and I had to make flowers, y'all. But let's get right into this video. So I started off by cutting out the back of my dress. After I cut out the back of my dress, I laid the fabric, both sides kissing each other, and then I cut out the front part of my dress. I really enjoyed this process, y'all. Like, the birthday girl gonna be so pretty. And so now I'm getting ready to cut out the front part for my mesh. The area that you see with no fabric is where I'm going to add my mesh at. So the only thing I did was transfer that piece of my fabric over to the mesh part. And so I'm going to insert a clip here so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So the only thing I did was put my fabric on top of the mesh so that I could cut it out exactly with the same measurements as the front and the back pieces. And the mesh is double, y'all, so I have it folded in half. This is what we have, y'all. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so excited, y'all. I was scared, but we did it. So this is the mesh part. So that's gonna be the breast. That's the back. This the front. And I'm going to apply this dress. Y'all, trust the process. Okay. So basically, I'm gonna hem the top and hem the bottom. Y'all, I really enjoyed the process of making this dress. It was so fun. It was so glamorous. It was everything I expected it to be. The gown, the dress, I want to call it a gown because it gave more than a birthday dress. Y'all, the dress was perfect, literally. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video to see how the dress turned out, y'all. I will be accepting orders for birthday dresses very soon. If you need your birthday dress made, make sure you comment below. Guys, and if you made it this far to the end of the video, thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, Dollhouse babes.